Hello friend, my name is Prabhakar Jha. I am a sales trainer, NLP practitioner, memory trainer, and now I am also learning digital marketing and developing myself into the digital training area. Today I am going to present on leadership mantra. So what we are going to see today? Our journey so far, we will going to see is leadership is a position or is performance. What are the difference or what is the difference between a manager and a leader? Your transit from manager to leader and managing the team in post COVID era. So in a nutshell we will going to cover these four topic. Now let me ask this question to you, whether manager or leader is a merely a position or it is an performance. Now most of the position in any organization are basically based on your performance, but in some of the cases it is coming like an award. So बहुत सारे हमारे जो लोग हैं उन्हें लीडरशिप पोजीशन या मैनेजमेंट की पोजीशन अवार्ड के रूप में मिलती है, पर उसमें जानने वाली बात यह है, वी नीड टू लुक दैट वेदर वी डिजर्व और नॉट. Why I am saying this? If you talk about Sachin Tendulkar, he is an amazing player. जब वो खिलाड़ी के रूप में खेलते थे उन्होंने अधिकांश वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किए, उन्होंने अधिकांश नए रिकॉर्ड बनाए, पर जब बारी आई अपने आप को एज ए लीडर एज ए कैप्टन साबित करने की, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनमें कुछ कमी नजर आई. अगर हम बात करें वही सचिन तेंदुलकर जब सौरव गांगुली के अंडर में खेले, राहुल द्रविड़ के अंडर में खेले, नाउ महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के अंडर खेले, एज अ प्लेयर उन्होंने सारे कीर्तिमान, नए नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए और पुराने कितने कीर्तिमान को तोड़ा. तो जानना हमारे लिए ही जरूरी है. अगर आप गुड प्लेयर हैं तो आप क्यों लीडर बनना चाहते हैं? Why you want to become a leader? That is the first question you need to ask to yourself. Whether this leadership position is in a form of reward or whether you deserve, that is your responsibility. Now if we talk about the stage, the area where you work, जहां हम काम करेंगे, हमारे कार्य क्षेत्र की बात करेंगे, तो स्टेज सबके लिए सेम होता है, चाहे आप राम हो या रावण हो. कौन कैसा किरदार निभाएगा और लोग किसे याद रखेंगे, ये उस बात पर निर्भर करता है कि कौन से कैरेक्टर ने अपना किरदार कैसे निभाया. एज ए लीडरशिप के लिए जब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, जब हम आगे बढ़ना सोचते हैं, तो हमेशा एक बात याद रखनी चाहिए कि हम लोगों को वही दे सकते हैं जो हमारे पास है. जो आपके पास नहीं है वो आप लोगों को नहीं दे सकते, चाहे वो नॉलेज हो, चाहे वो स्किल हो. तो अगर आप मैनेजर और लीडर के बीच के डिफरेंस को समझना चाहेंगे तो एक ही चीज समझिए कि a bad manager can take a good staff and destroy it, causing the best employee to flee and the remainder to lose all motivation. So before I am coming to this statement, let me give you brief about a manager. मैनेजर कौन होता है? मैनेजर वो होता है जो पोयम अच्छा सुनाता हो, जो पोयम करने में एक्सपर्ट हो, पोयम लिखने में एक्सपर्ट हो. मैं पोयम से मतलब मेरा कविता नहीं है दोस्तों, पोयम का मतलब है इट्स POEM. P means planning, O stand for organizing, E stand for execution and M stand for monitoring. सो मैनेजर अच्छा वही होता है जो एक अच्छा प्लानर हो, जो एक अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजर हो, जो एक अच्छा एग्जीक्यूटर हो और जो एक अच्छा मॉनिटर करने वाला हो. So you need to ask yourself whether you are a good planner, good organizer, good executor, or good monitor. And the most important thing, most of the manager fails in the last part, that is called control and monitoring. They are very good in planning the things, they are very good in organizing the resources, and they are also putting lots of effort to execute the things. But when it comes to execution, they lack. And after execution, if it comes to monitoring part, that is the major area, the major gap between execution and the mapping or monitoring. So as a manager, we should learn this poem. So now forward, and I am asking, this is a football ground, and you are seeing here three character. One is the owner of a team, football team, who is calmly sitting in the stand, जिन्होंने काफी पैसा लगाया एक अच्छे टीम को बनाने में. देयर इज आल्सो अ कोच जो साइड लाइन पे खड़े होकर अपने टीम को देख रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज आल्सो अ कैप्टन. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि इन तीनों में से सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट व्यक्ति कौन होता है एक फुटबॉल मैच के दौरान. सब कुछ लोग कहेंगे ओनर, क्योंकि अगर वो पैसा नहीं लगाता तो शायद टीम खड़ी नहीं होती. एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल दे से कैप्टन, बिकॉज कैप्टन वो होता है जो फील्ड में जाकर, एक्चुअल फुटबॉल ग्राउंड में जाकर अपने टीम को सारे काम, सारे स्ट्रेटेजी एग्जीक्यूट कराने में हेल्प करता है. पर मेरे दोस्तों, देयर आर वेरी लेस परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल दोज हु थिंक दैट अ कोच is the important person in this entire football match, because as a captain you are not able to see the movement of each and every player. As a captain you are not able to find the lacuna of each and every player, and it is a duty of a coach to identify which player is lacking in execution. And even he found, or if he finds that captain is lacking in execution, he has all right to substitute the captain. Yes or no? Yes. So in a football match, a coach is a major or the most important person. So if you are moving from manager to leadership position, you need to remember few things. If your action inspire other to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. A true leader is one who is humble enough to admit their mistakes. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. You need to remember these three things. Now we will see how you will transit from manager to leader. So जब हम फुटबॉल मैच की बात कर रहे थे, the first thing we need to remember when we are moving from manager to leadership, be a coach, be a mentor, observe, replace the player, substitute the player, and more importantly, be in the game. You need to stick with them. Do not try to be a boss. The boss is only giving order, he is only giving instruction, but a leader who lead from the front, so be in the game. Second important point is walk the talk. आप जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं. You need to focus on team development. You need to focus on their skill development. और more importantly, कोशिश कीजिए कि उनके अंदर विल डेवलप हो. बिकॉज ऐसा माना जाता है कि बहुत सारे मैनेजर अपने टीममेट्स में स्किल प्लस विल इश्यू पाते हैं. स्किल पे कहीं ना कहीं आप काम कर सकते हैं, पर विल तभी जागेगा जब सामने वाले पर्सन को लगेगा कि my manager is working towards my growth. He is one of the important person in my life who is taking care of myself, who is helping me. चाहे वो सेल्स की बात हो, चाहे वो प्रोग्रेस की बात हो, चाहे वो डेवलपमेंट की बात हो, चाहे कस्टमर हैंडलिंग की बात हो, चाहे एग्जीक्यूशन की बात हो, अगर आप आगे बढ़कर उन्हें लीड कर रहे हैं, दैट मोटिवेट द टीम मेंबर. थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, as a manager, this is the most of the manager, most of the leader makes this mistake, but I am sure you will learn from this. Listen carefully. Listen carefully to each team member, whether to implement that idea or not. That is a secondary issue. But first, you need to listen him carefully. As a human, we also have certain limitations. And if you see, in my previous slide, I told a leader he is who actually admit their mistake. So sometime as a leader, we also commit some mistake. So listen carefully. Take good idea, good suggestion from your team member. When you are working with him, when you are working with your team member, give feedback. Give feedback like a parent. I am talking to give feedback like a parent. Sometime we are also observing. If you observe your childhood, जब हम अपने बचपन की तरफ नजर डालते हैं तो हम क्या देखते हैं? जब हम गलती करते थे तो हमारे माँ बाप हमें समझाते भी थे, डांटते भी थे, और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली हमें सही रास्ता दिखाते थे. मोस्ट ऑफ द मैनेजर मेक्स द मिस्टेक, दे रिप्रीमाइंड द टीम. वो उसे डांटते हैं, डपटते हैं, स्क्रूड कर देते हैं, चिल्लाते हैं उसके ऊपर कि आप नॉन परफॉर्मर हो, आप काम नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आपसे काम ढंग से नहीं हो पा रहा है. लेकिन हम भूल जाते हैं उन्हें बताना कि काम करने का सही तरीका क्या है. सो बी और प्ले अ रोल ऑफ अ parent. Moving to the next point. It is called trust. Now most of the manager, most of the leader, they say कि I have full trust on my team. But again, I like to ask this question to all those manager, leader. In return, whether your team is trusting you. Are they are prepared, or are they are ready to suffer for you and suffer with you? If answer is no, then you are not moving in right direction. Why it is happening? Because sometime we as a manager, we do lots of gossip for one person to the another person. हम एक व्यक्ति की बुराई दूसरे व्यक्ति के सामने कर देते हैं, and we don't know that the network of your salesperson, the network of your team member is very strong than the network or the connection between you and your team member. तो हमें तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद हम किसी एक व्यक्ति की बुराई कर रहे हैं तो उस तक ये बात नहीं पहुंचेंगी, लेकिन आप जानते नहीं कि वो बात शायद आपके बताने से पहले वहां उस तक पहुंच चुकी है. So we need to work hard in developing the team that suffer for you and suffer with you. Another important lesson for us, detach ourselves from the self micromanagement. हमें माइक्रो मैनेजमेंट से निकल जाना है. In place of micromanagement, can we have certain check points? कि इस टास्क के लिए ये चेक पॉइंट होना चाहिए. As a manager, many of the time we make this mistake. For every task, we give lots of reminder, WhatsApp messages, mail, etc., etc. But in place of that, can we have certain checkpoint? In sales, I used to do this technique of checkpoint. For example, I am suggesting my salesperson go and meet this customer, and I'm sure he is going to meet. ensure that whether he is going to meet the person or not, going to meet the customer or not. What I am asking, I am asking him at the same time that, oh, okay, you are now going to meet the customer. uh, I have one more task. मेरे पास एक और काम है यार. प्लीज अगर तुम्हें मौका मिले, so ask the customer about this thing also. What I am doing, I am not micromanaging the things. Even I am enabling him that my boss is trusting on me, that's why he is giving me another task. And if he revert me on that point, so I have my checkpoint ready with me, that yes, he went there, he met that customer, and he's given me the feedback. So detach yourself from the micromanagement. In place of micromanagement, prepare a checkpoint. Next point, in order to transit from manager to leader, you need to develop this habit. Destroy the negativity in your team. You need to take a tough decision. In case you are finding that one of your team member is not positive enough, वो कहते हैं ना कि एक छोटी सी मछली पूरे गंदी मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. एक सड़ा हुआ आम पूरे आम के टोकरी को खराब कर सकता है. तो कभी ना कभी हमें एक बोल्ड स्टेप, एक टफ डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है कि उस सड़े हुए आम को निकाल कर बाहर फेंक दें. दोस्तों, अगर आपको भी लग रहा है कि कोई व्यक्ति इस तरह से नेगेटिविटी आपकी टीम में फैला रहा है, टेक द टफ डिसीजन. थ्रो हिम आउट. Whether they like or not like, you need to throw that person out. And do not afraid of vacancies. In sales, I seen most of the people, they are keeping such kind of unproductive people because as a manager, they are afraid of vacancies. Why vacancy? It's better to keep vacancy in place of non-performance. It's better to keep vacancy in place of non-performance. It means you are saving company's resources, you are saving company money, and it also give you time to get the suitable candidate for that position. So take tough decision. Now, if you see, we have discussed so many things about the transit from manager to leader. Now we are going to discuss about few tips. You need to combine the first two slides with this slide and try to use this technique when you are managing the team. First, as a manager, as a human, we need to keep calm and remain focused on the goal. Most importantly, we need to take care of ourselves. We need to resource ourselves. We need to learn new things. We need to develop positive mindset. We need to look for solution and analyze different scenario. Most of the time, I'm seeing people do in sales interaction, they are not preparing themselves for all possible questions that a customer will ask you. Most of the time, they are giving answer in that and that time only, then and there only. Why as a salesperson, why as a manager, we are not able to prepare set of question which your customer most probably going to ask you. So in your free time, when you get time during your working, why not you prepare a list of question or possible question that a customer may ask you and come with a possible solution also. Now in this COVID era, we know this is a critical situation. This is a kind of a difficult situation for us. So analyze the different scenario. If we are not able to work in a field, if we are not able to work or meet directly to the customer, are we working on a solution to meet our customer differently? Are we are leveraging the digitalization? Are we are utilizing the digital process? How many customer I have interacted via WhatsApp? How many customer I have interacted via Facebook? How many customer I have interacted via mail? If not, I am meeting to the direct customer. Whether I am touching my retail partner, whether I am touching my distribution, whether I am helping in order to strengthen the supply chain, whether I am utilizing this time for planning for future, whether I am utilizing this time to again restructure my budget for this year. If any of the answer is yes, you are working for company, you are working for yourself. In this scenario, you need to develop this. It's called empathy. Do not develop a sympathetic behavior. Develop a empathy. It means you are thinking at some problem from the angle of the sufferer. मैं दूसरों के जूते में पांव रख के उनका दर्द जानना चाहता हूं. वो हिंदी में एक कहावत है जिसे कहते हैं कि जाके पैर न फटे बबाई तो का जाने पीर पराई. कि ठंडी के दौरान, ठंड में जब जिसके पाँव में, खुद के पाँव में क्रैक्स नहीं आते हैं, उसे दूसरे के क्रैक का दर्द नहीं समझ में आता है. So many of the time in this situation, whether we are working from home, there are certain problems that your colleague is facing. Be empathetic to them. Listen to them. उनकी बातें सुने फिर कहें. क्यों मैं ऐसा कह रहा हूं? क्योंकि अभी के समय में आपकी टीम भी उतनी ही इमोशनली स्ट्रेस है जितने के हम. तो कंसीडर दिस ऑल पॉइंट. वी नीड टू लर्न द leveraging द डिजिटल एक्सपर्टीज. आप सीखिए नए नए डिजिटल स्किल्स सीखिए. जो डिजिटल टूल आप शायद अच्छे से उपयोग नहीं कर पा रहे थे, उसके बारे में जानने की कोशिश करें. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ स्किल्स विच यू कैन डेवलप इन दिस पीरियड. अपने में भी डेवलप करें, अपने टीम में भी बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करें. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, नाउ most of the person are in emotional stage. So the mantra for this time is success is called repetition of task within the team. For example, in a beginning of a month, you have decided a goal, a task. Repeat that task more and more in order to ensure that you are all team member on the same page. अब सब एक ही चीजों पे काम कर रहे हैं. और सेल्स में ये सबसे बड़ी गलती होती है दोस्तों कि हम मंथ के शुरू में प्लानिंग कर लेते हैं और उसके बाद सीधा मंथ के लास्ट में पूछते हैं भाई तुम्हारा सेल्स का क्या स्टेटस है. व्हाई नॉट वी आर टचिंग देम? व्हाई नॉट वी आर रिपीटिंग द टारगेट अगेन एंड अगेन, every second day, every third day? Why we are not asking that how much you have achieved so far? Start developing these checkpoints. And most importantly, to build the confidence of your team, you need to go first and be a role model for them. हर टास्क में you need to put your example, you need to sometimes show the example how you work, how you can work efficiently in this scenario also. So you go first and be a role model. With this, if anyone is having any question, please write in a comment box. As you know, my name is Prabhakar Jha and I am available in most of the platform. For any question and query, you can connect with me. Do like my channel on YouTube, share with other colleagues and friends, and help me to build a tribe of pharma professional, I mean say skilled pharma professional. Thank you.